Do you want to up your game on your travel photography without breaking the bank? Most of us do. So I'm going to show you 5 things in this video. I'm going to save the best for last. And if you take advantage of the deals that are available, you can really improve your game, like I said, without breaking the bank. The first item up, we're going to talk about the DB Power Action Camera. Pull it up where you can see it. This camera is amazing for doing photography when you're moving, when you're, we wound up using it a lot in Alaska on cold, rainy days. I left the waterproof housing. I can go outside and stand in the rain and shoot video. It wasn't very comfortable for me, but didn't bother the camera at all. It does a really nice job, very good color correction. The focus on it is great. I didn't find anything I didn't like about using it. Comes with the camera, the waterproof housing, and 2 batteries. It doesn't come with an SD card, so you have to add that to go with it. But we loved it. I took some really nice video. We were on Alaska on a cruise. I actually strapped it to the railing out on the balcony and just left it sit out there sometimes for a couple of hours, recording till it filled the memory card up, and then it would shut off. But I got a lot of footage without having to worry about it. And had it fallen in, it's out about $30. Right now it's on sale on Black Friday at $20. You probably won't see it on Black Friday, so expect to spend about $30 for it. But it is an amazing camera. We're meeting for the first time. My name's Ken Edmonds, and this my channel is Traveling with a Chair. I share tips and tricks for traveling that are designed to help people that have mobility issues, and also to provide ways to help others travel more, spend less. And so in this video, we're going to talk about some camera hacks and some photography hacks, things that I found really helped me up my game and didn't break the bank. I am saving the best for last. So on to the rest of the video. The next item up to go with the action cameras, you need something to be able to carry it with you. So let me pop that up here. And so I got this newer 53-in-1 kit. It had a lot of things that I didn't use, but it had a tremendous number of things that were very helpful. You can bolt the camera to just about anything. In fact, we were able to rig up a mount so we could mount it on my wife's wheelchair so that she was wheeling along, that we could record video from, say from her viewpoint. The couple things in here that I really liked, I'll highlight them. This harness right here, for example, is a chest harness. I used that when I took my granddaughter. We went out and we went halibut fishing, and I say halibut fishing because we didn't do any catching. Sorry. Get my cursor on the right screen here so I can control things. But anyway, so I strapped the harness on, put the camera on my chest. My hands were free, so if we caught something, I could help. And I was able to record video and fish at the same time, which was not a bad thing for me either. It also has right next to it is there's a helmet harness for it too. So if you're bike riding or something, you wanted like a head height view of things, you can put that on and attach the camera to it. So those were all things that were really useful. Like I said, and again, this is real expensive. $19.19 is the price for it on Amazon Prime. And it works with just about any of the action cameras. Like I said, I thought it was a very good value. The next item up is, actually we'll come back to that. I did get a dual battery charger for it and some extra batteries, because just in case you're not traveling where you have access to power easy, it's nice to have some extra power with you. So those are things I recommend. Again, $13.97. So not very expensive. One other thing, and this I used on because my other phone, besides the action camera, is I carry a Samsung S8. And sometimes when you're shooting video outside, the wind noise, and there's just a lot of reasons that it doesn't do a great job with audio. Most of the time it's fine, but there are times that you want a directional mic. And so I carry with me this Boya cardioid shotgun mic. It's got a windscreen comes with it. Again, very inexpensive. This one's almost $22. And it's just one more thing that you can do to kind of up your game and get better photos and better video. So I like that. And the last item up is this Hohem smartphone gimbal. And it's designed for smartphones. It comes with a plate so I can mount my action camera to it as well. So it worked really well. I could use it with the action camera or with my phone. I did a lot of video inside with my phone. I did the outside video with my action camera using it. But a couple things that really make it nice. First of all, a gimbal is designed to stabilize your photography so that if the ship is moving or you're walking, your video is not doing this. What spurred me on to get it was I had a friend of mine. He says, Ken, I watched the video, your tour of the ship. I got seasick. I'm like, okay, I need to fix that. And he says, get a gimbal. So I got a gimbal. And I tell you what, I really love it. It comes, one of the nice things about it, it comes with this little tripod that works really well. That mounts, you'll see it here mounted to the bottom of the gimbal. So it'll hold it steady. You can sit it on a table or something. And even if the table's moving a little bit, the camera, it will stay really nice and stable. Like I said, it has a battery built into it so that you can connect the cable up to the phone, provide some backup power for it. I found it really useful. And so just one of those things that I think is money well spent. Those are 5 things that will really help you up your game. And with the exception of the gimbal, everything's very inexpensive. The gimbal is about, looks like $71.20. So if you like travel videos, you like to find out things that'll help make your travel better, do me a favor, hit the like button. You want to subscribe to the channel. We'll see you next time.